bird wolf, loping towards the ancestors, scenting, she waits for the night peace. Her sistren gather, nocturnal, carnivorous, heat-seeking missiles of fur and feathers, clinging to selvage and howl, banqueting on splendid autumn carrion. Her muscle memory, their choral squall, all resilience and inherited nightmares. Craving hoarfrost and the short light, she's earned a sinewy hunger, an ache for penny taste, thrown forward and reckoned, sung. A tale, but still. Tooth and beak, the dawn wolf from her treeward perch, caws until winter scrapes in, biting, biting.